What's up, guys? It's Greeny. I'm in Cartagena, Colombia, and I'm just outside the walled city. The walled city is down there, but just wanted to take a walk down this side street here, Calle de la Magdalena, and this is a pretty cool street. I don't know if this helps keep the sun away from people, all the umbrellas, but I have seen some pictures of this before, and I didn't even know where it was. I just happened to stumble across it, but it's kind of neat. Just ate lunch over here. It is so hot. It's got to be about 95 degrees. I don't know what Celsius it is, a lot, and I pretty much sweated my butt off. Just drank a couple waters in a restaurant. I had to have a salad for lunch. My first meal in Colombia, and it's a salad. But I was just too hot to eat anything else, so that wasn't going to happen. Agua water cerveza. Oh, so they got little stands here that you can just step up and order. Wonder how much the agua is at the little stands. Probably check that out later. Feels cool in there. May have to go in there and have another drink. Take a little walk around first, though. Wow, this is pretty sweet. I'll just walk up here real quick. This looks like this might be a sweet area at night. Lots of little bars and stuff around here. Hotels, hostels, probably a lot less expensive than the walled city. But Casa Eugenia Hostel, Casa Vienna Hostel. Sushi. I'm not gonna try the sushi here. Sorry, I just won't do it. When in Rome, have pizza. One in Colombia, have Spanish Latin. Maybe later. I just ate. Lemonade looks awesome. Hats everywhere. Everybody's selling hats. No. Gracias. Gracias. No. Let me tell you. I guess because it's such a touristy area that there's so many vendors trying to sell you stuff. I don't think I could stay here too long. I'd probably be so annoyed. I'm already getting oh, gracias. So they need a horse for that. So yeah, lots of vendors so far. I wish I'd had time to fit in Medellin. Bigger city like that, great public transportation, maybe no vendors. So I like to experience the flavor of a country, and I don't like being hassled. So, but it is pretty cool here. So I guess you just got to put up with it, and they mean well. They're just trying to make a living. I just had a long talk with a tour vendor. Yeah, he used to live. Hold on a second. So this tour vendor I met, he used to live in New Jersey, and he was giving me the rundown on everything. So he said the vendors won't bother you, you know, just say no, whatever. At night though, in the walled city. In certain areas, there can be some pickpocketers, he said. So, gotta keep your valuables safe. Which, if I go out tonight and have a drink, I probably won't take any of my stuff. I want to scope it out at night here. I'm not going to take my camera or anything. Let's see. So anyways, this is about where I started. I just went around the block and I thought that street was interesting. So later, a little pop store. Huh. One thing over here I do notice, you gotta watch where you're walking. Sidewalks aren't the greatest. So, alright, till next time, I'll talk to you guys later.